What does Hamus have?
Wait a minute. Caitlin, Hamus has what?
Whiskers.
What does Otis have?
A tooth.
What are you supposed to tell Grandpa?
Read it, Grandpa.
What about birds? What do birds have?
A ring.
What do magpies have?
A ring.
What does Sissy have?
A tooth.
No, Sissy has a loud mouth.
Quiet you.
Loud mouth.
Yeah.
All right. One more time. What does Hamus have?
Ring.
Hamus doesn't have wings. What does Hamus have?
A whiskers.
Whiskers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. What do daddies have?
A whiskers.
Daddies have whiskers? What does Otis have?
A tooth.
He also has whiskers.
What do kitties have? What do kitty cats have?
A ring.
No, they have whiskers.
Whiskers.
And they have fur.